Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Cindy Kitty, and we're back once again with another episode of Slime Rancher. So this time I actually remembered to turn the game volume up to an actual volume. But I was also told that you guys actually enjoyed me talking throughout the game, so I'll go back to what I was doing before. But without any further ado, let's get into it. Has less money. I need another radioactive slime. What the heck? Where did you come from? Whee. Bop. I didn't even notice my thing was gone. Well, that sucks. So the two I don't have a lot of are going up in price. That's nice. I might actually go to Mochi Miles's farm today. I'm not sure just yet. Kind of want to focus on making sure my ranch is all good. Oh, what am I doing? Cause they vibing, they got their music. Do y'all need food? At some point. Okay, but I can sell these. Hello. Goodbye. I forgot it's toggled, not held down like most sprint. Oh, I need more the roostros. Oh, what the? How did I get more than 20? I need to get more roostros so I can have chickens constantly growing. Well, you know what I mean. Apparently that's still offline. Unfortunate. Those cats, they're so cute. I missed. I think one landed in there. I don't know. Anyways. Roostros. I need to find roostros first. I haven't come out here in so long. They're so cute. Like, I literally haven't just walked around. Oh, but I do ow! Dude, give me that! And Chickadoo has a chance to become a roostro. Yeah, eat the chickens, I don't care. Give me the chickadoo. I was able to get there once. I guess not anymore. Oh well. Right. On a hunt for roostros. Oh my word. There's just lots of... Yeah. Hello, stony hens. Hello, cuties. Normal chickadoos and roostros. Oh, I forgot I was mentioning what I thought. So, I think what causes the tar is if, like, one of these guys has, like, a third, maybe? Like, say if it's, like, a rock slime and a pink slime, and then that eats a tabby slime. Plort, you know? I don't know if that's how they're made, I'm just guessing. They kind of just appear. Why do I have... Oh, that's why I had lower health. I forgot. I got attacked. Let's swap those out. And then we put the Roostro in with these guys. And then put these guys in here. I do want to get more radiation slime, so let's go do that real quick. I probably actually should be buying upgrades. My mouse thing keeps getting caught. Please, I need like 3 more radiation slimes. Just a single puddle slime. Roostro, hello. Come here. Come, no, come here. Ooh, my hand's itchy. Okay, now let's go see if I can get some upgrades. Because I still haven't figured out how to get a thing, but I have money to spend, so... Fence upgrade. Path upgrade? I don't know what those are. Yeah, sure. Oh, interesting. Spends all money on... Oh! Oh! Oh, that's actually kind of cute. I'm a little confused, of course. Yeah, but this actually looks super nice. I actually don't mind that. Like, it looks super cute. I thought I would have regrets. I don't have regrets. It's super cute. Let's do Bob. Okay, well thank goodness I have a lot of those, except the Roostros, but I have an extra. Man, it just wants chickens. It's so funny to me. Oh, he wants 5. Oh, well, I'll get more from this one. Oh no, I got an elder hen. I also got a lot of stony hens in there. Alright, now I just need the Roostro. First, I gotta take Miss Elder Hen. Come here. Wait, one of them is already old? I just got those 2. I'm so... Ow. I just got that roostro. Oh, that's frustrating. I'm taking a chance on these little babies. Jump. So I've earned 25,000 new bucks at some point. Yay, we love a bunch of food that I don't actually need. Funnily enough. Mance does not eat a lot. You need a friend in there because you don't seem to get hungry much. Yeah, no. Hey, Diesel, what you got there? Just laying there? Yeah. Yeah, I need to get a silo somewhere, but I don't know where to put it. You know, that's not what I thought was gonna happen. Why is it some carrots, some odd onions? I'm confused. Did I break it? I don't wanna do that. I don't have enough money yet. Hang on. What's the next most expensive thing besides the radiation slime? Water? These guys just vibe. They're so cute. I still don't know how I manage this. Like, I just wanted odd onions. Why does it still look like that? Okay, what's over here? Oh, that's pretty. I saw something. Chickens. This is cute. Very on wild side indeed. Okay, so I need a few more. I don't know whose house that is. I still can't believe it has carrots and not onions. I can't. That's not what I wanted to do. I didn't mean to do that. I meant to... This is fun. I meant to do something else. I meant to remove the crops, and I failed miserably. Yep, it fits 100. Good to know. Dude, that's so upsetting. I have to re-upgrade everything now because I hit the wrong button. I still want it to be a garden. Okay. Bap. Just the odd onions. Gotta sell something. Preferably something I have way too much of. This is a huge example of why you... Okay. Sell 1,000 plorts at the plort market. Okay. Oh no, it's full. And there's... Right, because they got doubled. Because they love the food. clean that up a bit. I think the silo is gonna have to be for the rock plorts. Or that, or I'm gonna have to get rid of one of these guys. I don't know. Yeah, I'll probably for now I'll put the rock plorts in there. Okay, that should be enough to yeah, fix my mistake. We love doing little goofs. Oh, that's so cool. I don't know how many things it can store. I'm gonna put the onions in there. Okay, so it can store up to 3 things. That is so handy. Okay, I'm gonna check to see which ones have a lot and store it until it's nice monies. Very good. That should be fine now. I wonder if you can store chickens. I know one of the comments said that. But I think for now I'm going to invest in storing these. I just hear a massacre behind me. It's fine. I only wish it wasn't so far of a walk. Probably get a silo in here too. Nah, that's too much work. I will go to her farm, but first I need to take care of mine. And don't forget to hydrate. There's still carrots in with the odd onions. Does that mean they have to grow with carrots? I'm so confused. So we can store up to 100. That's good. I wish there was something I could do to go faster. There's too many of them. Just vibing and enjoying the ride. Have fun! Oh, that's pretty. I think at this point I'm gonna accept that it's onions and carrots, like they don't grow separately, which is so weird to me. That dude needs a friend. Alright. 20 minutes in currently, so I might as well go over to her ranch because don't got anything else to do. Okay. This... I'm confused. Huh? Ease? Oh, this is difficult. What in the race? Is this just a freaking race? This is a little difficult, isn't it? Oh no. I don't have everything to keep everything charged. That is not good. And they're all gone. So for every 10 I get 200. But if I want more friendship with her, I have to get to 150. Lovely. That one has a cooldown. Oh, I almost fell off. Is this one more difficult? I think this one's more difficult. Ah, here they come. Oh boy. They're cute little guys. Got it. It's like a little mini game in a video game. Okay, somehow I made that. Got 42 more seconds of this. Got it. flying straight at me! Cute. Did better after I got a strategy. 200 for every 10. That's not too bad. Alright. I think that'll do. That was fun. My goodness, the Cruciblodies are everywhere. I'm gonna have to start putting some of those in too. So much running back and forth. It is cute out over there though. How is one of them hungry? They get fed regularly. Regularly. That word is so hard to say lately. And I don't know why. Everything's such a long walk. I think I can hold more than 100. That's good. Need more radioactive slimes. Okay, we're good. Eek! Suppose you should check. Nothing. The only thing that's going up is the one I don't have yet. I think I can get it now, actually. I have more space. Don't think there's any specifications. These chickens are so dang cute. Should probably start wrapping up. But I really want to do stuff. There's so many pogo fruits. These guys don't eat them that much because I don't have a lot of little fruit eaters on my farm anymore. Because the pink slimes ate a lot, but now that they're like the tabbies, they don't eat a lot. They just kind of vibe. Kind of like how these guys are vibing. And they're so cute. I didn't really have much of a plan when I started. I just kind of... Oh, no! Mom's hungry. There's not a lot in there. That'll do. Who's the Hunger Pants? Is anyone still hungry in there? I don't know. I'll just put them all in there. Whoever's hungry, go ahead. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Slime Rancher today. I had a lot of fun, even though I didn't feel like I got a lot done. Looking at what I have, technically I did get a lot done. Eventually I can unlock that. Probably could unlock it now, but I don't want to unlock too many things at once. Especially after doing all these upgrades. What is this? Oh my... I have a jetpack now. I don't know where this came from. I have all these things now. Oh my gosh. Huh. Well, that's nice to know. Go get water. Just so that it's in here. Dang it! It ate it! It ate the rooster before I could grab it. Oh, rooster, rooster, rooster. Mine! I don't care about the hen hens. Eat the hen hens. I don't care. Oh, that's kind of funny and cute. Alright, cool. So I had to get... I don't even know what level I got to. Because I was just like, oh yeah, I'll do all these upgrades, and boom, I'm up to level 4, and like, oh, here you go. You can upgrade all your VacPack now. My goodness. Well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this today. I really need to get you a friend. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!